Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the viral tweet from Angel Reese, which he said, quote unquote, y'all make $1,400 a week, I make $1,400 in 7 days, which is quite redundant to be honest, since there's 7 days in a week, so she still makes the same as us who make $1,400 a week. So as you can see, we have it here on SI.com. And the only problem with this tweet is that there's no indication that it is real, that she actually tweeted that. So it's not clear where the fake quote originated from, but by all accounts, Reese never said it, contrary to what the online trolls would like to believe. Our best guess it came from a no-name content creator trying to chase some clout. So Reese 23 is in the middle of her second WNBA campaign with the Sky and has been steadily hammering out a reputation as one of the league's most dominant rebounders. So that is basically on the tweet, what she said. So please do not believe, guys, everything you see online. It is wise to fact check or research it before actually believing it and spreading the news. And that is it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.